What's up, YouTube? It's BrandFlakes4547. And this is I wonder if I should microwave this. I'm your host, BrandFlakes. Today I'm going to be microwaving this mirror right here and this lipstick thing with a mirror inside. Let's see if you can see the camera. Nope. No, okay. I'm going to microwave them, so let's get down to it. So here in my backyard I have my microwave Margie, and in that microwave will be a mirror and makeup case. Okay, let's, just so we can see maybe a flame, I'm going to put it like this, like that. Close it up. And so I'm going to set it for, let's say, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And start. Hold on, wait. Make sure it's in the right spot. Hit this microwave. Whoa. It's smoking already. It's a good sign. I don't smoke. I don't know what you're smoking. I don't see much happening here. What do you say? Oh, okay. I was just gonna say let's inspect the damage, but that's a huge flame and that's a lot of smoke. So I'm gonna set up the fan here. It's already turned on. Do I turn it on? Sure. But that's a lot of smoke. It's black now, so it's African American. It's a big flame. So can't see already if I'm smoking like crazy. Okay, let's inspect the damage. Been going for a little bit longer. Let's inspect the damage now. Okay. I can't see anything. I don't know if you can yet. Holy crap! Play it again. Our song is the sweetest song. Could have been a song, but it's not a real song. Okay. Check it out. Whoa. That is pretty tight. Let me make sure you can see it. Yes, you can. Yes, we can. No, we can't. Freaking Barack Hussein Osama. If you haven't noticed, I hate Barack Obama. He's a freaking... Not gonna say it because it would be mean. Just kidding. But that, okay, here's the damage. It's still smoking. Let's get a good view on that. Smoking right in my freaking face. What? WTF? Hopefully you can get a see something good there. Here's the back. So, put that aside. Now this is an awesome desk item. I'm gonna keep this. I mean, it looks pretty tight. Some of the glass is gone. I don't know where that went. But that's an awesome desk item. I will keep this in. Ow! Oh, just yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these parts off while it's still melted, even a little bit. Taking the back off. There you go. That's an awesome desk item, pretty tight. This, not so much, but it's okay. That's freaking hot. Ow! That is freaking hot! No, I've never seen that movie. Desk item. This is going on my chair, whatever you want to call it. So I will see you later for I wonder if I should microwave this. So that's about it. I'll see you later, and Don't try this.